hope you guys are having a wonderful and amazing day just like me. So, in the advanced scripting, this is tutorial 2. This is how GUIs work. This video is actually going to be going for the beginners. Oh, nope, sorry, I'm in advanced, my bad. So, last time we talked about values and how they worked. I already took out the values and everything. So we can just go ahead and delete this from the server script service, and we're just going to go ahead and make like a GUI. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a screen GUI, and then we're going to and here we are going this is frequently used. This is mostly what we're going to be using. So let's just go ahead and add in a frame. So here's just like an ordinary frame. You can size this however you want. 1 second. Whatever, this will do. So, and then in here, we are just going to insert a text button. So this is a button, so like if you click it, something will happen. But it doesn't just automatically do it. You have to insert a local script. So let's just say what this button is going to do is it's going to print hello in the output. So we're going to go ahead and insert a local script into the text button. And we're going to write script dot parent dot mouse button one click :connect. As we all know, the :connect function in these parentheses, that means if ever this event happens, then it will work. So every time we click this button, this will happen. So, now all you want to do is just put in your code inside here, and every time you click the button, that will happen. So I'm just going to do print, and then we can just going to go ahead and say hello. Whoops, spelled that wrong. So every time we click this button, it should say hello. So let's just go ahead and play, and then we'll go ahead and click that button. Just go ahead and let it load up real quick. Okay, so we got our frame, we got our button. Just ignore these errors. These are I think this is my data store actually. I don't know, but just look in the output. Every time you click it, it should print hello. So every time we click it, it's just gonna keep going up. So yeah, that's basically how GUIs and buttons work. So I'm going to show you how to make like a dev panel. But first, I'll just go ahead and put this in the corner of the screen, and then I'll just make it a 50 by 50. Just give it a second. There. Now I'm just going to customize it. So I'm just going to make the background red. And then you can customize it all through here on the properties of the button. I'm going to make the border white. And then I can go ahead and scroll down, and then you'll see this text. And then I'm just going to make it an X. This is going to be an exit button. I'll go ahead and change the text color to white. Set text guild. There. So now what we're gonna do is each time we click this button, the frame is going to disappear. So, oh, sorry, notifications. Ah, gosh, I just always hate those notifications. Anyway, so we're gonna do script dot parent dot visible equals false. Now if you want like an open button, you can also do that as well. I'll actually go ahead and put like an open button right there. 1 second. Oh wait, no, this is in the frame. Undo. You just want to insert it as just a regular text button. And then I guess this button will say open. We'll make it green. Let's go and change our RGB. Sorry, hand itch. Let's go ahead and make our border. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys. We can go ahead and remove this text button that's in the frame. And you can't just like click on it. Here, I'll just you can't just click on it when you're not you actually have to go to the screen GUI and stuff. And when you click on your screen GUI, you should be able to click it. No, you have to go to frame and then yeah. Anyway, so we're just gonna make this button say open. I'll go and I'll make the text color white, and then I'll say open. Text scaled. Alright, so now so we're done designing the button. Now let's go ahead and enter in the script. So here, script dot parent dot mouse button one click colon connect function, and then if you want a variable for the whenever it's clicked, also just put it in these parentheses. Anyway, so now we're gonna make this text button. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make it open up this frame. So we're gonna do script dot parent dot frame dot visible equals true. And just to add in like some kind of design, I'm gonna do script dot parent dot visible equals false. This is just to like add in any design for it. I'm also gonna add it into the script right here. Script dot parent dot dot text button. Text button dot visible equals true. So yeah, so whenever we click this button right here, I'm actually just gonna make this frame not visible. There we go. So whenever we click this button right here, the button will disappear, but the frame will appear. So let's just go ahead and let it load in. Image buttons work the same way. It's an image instead of words. So if we do that, we can just keep doing it over and over again. But yeah, so say you want to make a game pass for it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna search up a game pass. And here, 1 second. Robot. I'm just gonna go. I'm just Here, I'll just grab a game pass from a random game, and I'll show you what to do. I'll go ahead and open up this. So this is a game pass from my game. So first, let's go ahead and add in a button to the frame. So let's just go ahead and make this visible again. So we're just gonna go ahead and add in a text button to the game. Let's go ahead and put in the middle. I'll make the background blue. 0. There. Sorry. So yeah, now the background is blue, and I'll go ahead and make the border, I don't know, let's just keep the same, there. So we're gonna scroll down, and then we'll make the button say, game, pass. I'll go and make the text color white just to see that it's easier to see. And then now, hold up. So this is just like a mod game pass that I added in to my game. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the ID of the game pass. You should know how to copy the game pass ID. If not, you can go ahead and search up a video about it. So we're gonna type in again a local script. Again, we're gonna do script.parent.mouse button one click, and then colon connect function. Whoops. And then just those parentheses. And then now once we're done with that, I don't know why the insert's on. We're just gonna do that, and now we're gonna do local market place serve service, not server, and then we're gonna do equals. Now we're gonna do game colon get service, and then marketplace service. And then now the marketplace service is where all your game passes, premium memberships, and then there's a new thing that I think is coming to Roblox, because whenever I use the marketplace service for my game, there's always like is subscribed and confirm subscription cancellation, all stuff like that. And that's just, and I'm pretty sure that that is going to be coming to Roblox soon. Anyway, so now what we want to type in here is, because I own, is we're just going to do the variable for the marketplace service, and then we're going to do colon, and then when you start scrolling down, you'll see like get developer procs async, and you'll see player subscribed, all this stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do prompt game pass purchase, and then we're gonna do instance player, and then the number game pass ID. I did forget to add in it, the player. We're gonna do local PLR equals game dot players dot local player. So, the player that did click the button, it will only prompt for them, not everyone. Or like another person. So, now we're just going to type in PLR, and then comma, and then now you want to copy, and paste your game ID. This is my game pass ID. Here, I'll actually go ahead, you can see right here that this is, a game pass ID. Anyway, so now it should, whenever we click the button, it should prompt the purchase for the game pass. So let's just go ahead and load up the game. So now when we click this button, you see that because I already own it, it's only going to say that, but it's also going to say, do you want to buy this game pass and stuff? So whenever you click it, it's always going to prompt a game pass purchase. So yeah, that was really it. That was really it for the screen GUIs. I hope you guys did enjoy. And I will see you guys next time in the next video. Subscribe. My Roblox group is in the description below. Anyway, yeah.